Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to remove Google search bar from home screen. So if you also want to remove Google search bar from home screen, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So removing the Google search bar from home screen is actually very simple. On your home screen, you might be able to see the Google search bar. If you find the Google search bar on the home screen, searching on Google will be much more easier. But due to some reason, if you want to remove it, for that what you have to do is long press on the search bar itself. Now after that, at top you'll be able to find the option for remove, or instead of that you can also find the cross icon over there. So simply drag the search bar towards the remove option or cross icon. Now after that, you can see over here the Google search bar will be removed from home screen. Like this, you'll be able to remove the Google search bar. So that is how you remove the Google search bar from home screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.